Hey guys, welcome to Hunter's Wacky Kitchen. Let's see what kind of wacky shit we can make tonight. I'm kind of in the mood for a little omelette, so let's see what we can do. Let's see. I got some fucking ham and some fucking eggs. We could use some of these frozen hash browns. Now, I could make this shit on this pan, but that means I have to clean it afterwards, so we're gonna use a microwave. Now, Gordon Ramsay says butter makes everything better, so we need butter. Cut a little chunk off this butter brick and put it in a microwave safe bowl. Ah, that shit looks good. Fuck. Oh, no, it's not good enough. I think that's about good. Oh, the bowl's getting kind of fucking hot. Oh, perfect. Look at that melting. Alright, here we go. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Oh. Alright, so I try my best to get the eggshells out of this. Now the crucial step is to whip up these eggs using the exact same knife you use to cut the butter. That way you don't have to wash anything else. Alright, so this egg looks a little bit low in volume, so what we're gonna do is add a little bit of milk. Alright, then take one of the hash browns and then kind of just rip it in half and put it in the bowl. Alright, then we're gonna take a little piece of ham from this. Fuck, just shit out of here. Now, we can't have an omelette without cheese. So that's why we got some string cheese. Smash up the string cheese a little. It's looking pretty perfect. So what we need now is some garlic salt. This shit is good. I swear to God. Maybe a little bit of pepper too. So it's looking pretty good. If you have a plate on top of the bowl, it'll protect your microwave from egg. So it kind of was there, but I'm just gonna lift up the plate to see where we're at. Oh yeah, that shit cooking alright. Tabasco is no, fuck, I mean tapatio, shit. Some ketchup. Putting ketchup on is a fucking art. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Oh yeah. Give it a little bit of spicy sauce. This is the final product. Microwaved omelette. It turned out it wasn't fully cooked. That's about right. Alright, this is nearly perfect. We got a perfect mixture of egg, cheese, potato, ham. I'm gonna make Todd eat this. Yo, Todd, wanna have some omelette?
This kind of smells like that authentic shit. Actually, not that bad. Like if I was in a zombie apocalypse, I'd be like 8 out of 10. But if I was like right now, like a 5 or a 6.
In conclusion, people love the microwave omelette. It's fast, easy to make, delicious, nutritious. Thanks for watching today's episode of Hunter's Wacky Kitchen.